Hi, today I will show you a workaround of my new restoration project. This is the Ameco All Wave Receiver R5. All the knobs are complete, and I believe these are still original. There's some rust on the edges. Well, cosmetically, it's not that bad. It's just that the power cord, if we look at the state of it, it looks like it's been eaten by some rodent. Here's a view from the back. It appears that a replacement transformer was installed. Here's the original transformer. Serial number 2803. There's a selector switch for internal battery and external. There's a mute jack, the antenna and earth connections. And this appears to be like an external speaker jack. It's a bit dirty.